volume. This is for volume 191. Alright, we are back, guys. We are back to do a draw for volume 191 and for some of the purchasers here in December. For both being in volumes and for purchasing. Yes, I'm looking. Ooh. I wonder what Julie's doing. But I know what I'm doing. We need to pick prizes. Raffle draw. Okay. Here we go. Let's take out the clips. I got the prizes. I got some names. Alright. Get the name and then Julie, you pick the prize. Alright. Yeah, Gem cover mine. Shannon Crumrine will be getting a Gem cover minder. Congratulations. Okay, come back. Alright, next, Julie, pick a name. It's a tiger heart. Alright, thank you.
No, he's a tiger.
A tidy, okay. Alright, you pick a name.
Hello. I
already did. She already did. Alright, Julie pick Corinne Fleury. And she gets a $20 gift card.
$20 gift card. $20 gift card.
Congratulations.
Daddy?
Yeah.
I can do this.
Yeah, but they can't see it. So you gotta do it here. Alright. Congratulations. Yeah. Alright. Rocket, please pick a name. And then Zoe, pick a furnace.
I think my little pet is a little bit tired.
Yes, the little pet needs to rest on the floor. Alright, Tia Piccolo is getting a...
Why are you so much eye?
I'm gonna lose my voice. I can't speak over you guys. Tia Piccolo will get a white sanitizer spray.
Yay!
Spray sanitizer. White, color white. Congratulations.
Congratulations! I'm doing it backwards.
Yeah. And now pick a name. And then you two, Rocket, come here. Pick a prize. Sweet. Let me show. Alright, pick a prize. Alright. Monica Ann is gonna get a brooch. A fancy brooch right here. Okay.
I'm flying!
Oh, alright, come back. Come fly back to me. Alright, Julie will pick a name. And then Rocket, pick a prize.
No, this one. I want another.
Okay. Alright. Alright. Whoa, thank you. Andrea Varon is gonna get a diamond paperweight.
Yay!
Woo woo!
No!
Congratulations!
No!
You can't see you. Can't see you. Alright, the last name is Rocky, can you pick a prize, please? Alright, so the last name is Jason Liu. Jason Liu is getting a friendship necklace. It splits 4 waves. Congratulations!
Yeah, you will say congratulations.